Fam, look at the dashboard garden. Have an update of the dashboard garden. I'm super excited, and we're gonna feast. We're gonna eat off the dashboard garden today. We had a good day, and family, now it's time to look at the update of the babies. So in this van life journey, a lot of people have some kind of companion, whether that's a pet, cat, dog, snake. Me, my companion is plants. So right now, like, things are going to flower, as you can see right now with these pretty yellow flowers. But all of this is food, family. This is bok choy. We have some petunias, violas in here, which are edible flower. We have some kale. We have some comfrey, which is a herb. We have a lettuce head that's doing amazing right now. We have some Swiss chard. Family, did you just hear all the things that I just mentioned in this small freaking space, family? Compliments all the time of people talking about how much they love my van. I'd have people staring in the van all the time. Some people be looking like, damn, what the hell is this crazy guy doing? And then some people, you see the big smiles when they see the plants and the flowers. This is actually a special day for me because I have not tasted any of these plants yet. So this is actually going to be cool. You have to bear with the excitement with me. I get really excited when it comes to plants. Now we're going to try some viola leaf. Viola leaf, they're not famous for their leafy green. It's savory, reminds me of Swiss chard. It's not bad, it's mild. It's not bitter at all. Almost has no taste. Now we're going to try some viola flower. I love these flowers. They're very pretty, and viola is awfully hardy too. It's one of the few flowers that you can grow in the winter. Doesn't have too much of a taste. Definitely enjoy the bok choy flowers more. Now we're gonna have some kale. We're gonna try a little baby kale leaves. This is actually the best time to eat your kale is when it's in its baby form because it's nice, tender, and sweet. Yep, nice, tender, and sweet for kale. All right, family, now we're gonna get out and I'm gonna show you something really cool. We have to get out to the other side to access the other flower pots on the dashboard. Look what you can do all from a freaking dashboard. All right, so this is the other flower pot. We have some Swiss chard. Look at the Swiss chard living its best life. Oh, sorry. So this is some beets, family. Look at the beets living its best life. I don't know if you can hear that. Very crunchy. Very watery. It has a lot of water content. Earthy. Not my favorite leafy green, but I'm waiting for the beets. All right, family, this is what I'm impressed. Do you see that beauty? This is a head of lettuce, family. Look how beautiful this head of lettuce. This is a salad. This is a legit salad growing on my dashboard. All right, we're gonna try this lettuce. I have been looking forward to trying this lettuce for at least a month now. It should be pretty sweet. All right, let's try another leaf. Oh wow, that is a big boy. Look at that leaf. Family, look at that leaf of lettuce from my dashboard. All right, let's give it a try. Family, that's probably the best bib lettuce I've ever tasted. I'm not even gonna lie, it's complex. Like, it has flavors, it has tones to it. It's crunchy, It's firm. The taste is amazing. It's not bitter. Oh my. Family, I'm eating this whole lettuce today raw. I was gonna save some and just let it keep growing, family. I'm eating this whole thing. It's that good. This is the best lettuce I have ever grown and ever tasted, because most of the lettuce that I've tasted, I wait too long and it goes to bolt. But this one, it's almost perfect. Like, family, look at the leaves of this. For growing in such a small area, this is a huge leaf. If you look at the growing area that it's growing in, it literally has about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of soil depth. Simply amazing, simply amazing. I was really looking forward to this, and family, it did not disappoint. The summer, family, the summer dashboard garden, you think this is something? It's insane. The whole dashboard is going to be filled with color, leafy green foliage. It's going to be to the point where y'all going to be questioning, can I even look outside the window? You have to stay tuned and subscribe to see if I can grow a garden of green in my dashboard without getting tickets or getting pulled over. All right, family, I think that's it for today. You've seen my dashboard garden, the thing that just fills my heart with joy. As always, family, True Tribe likes and subscribe. I really do enjoy the comments. It encouraged me to make more videos. I get a whole bunch of ideas from your comments. It makes me smile, that's for sure. So keep the comments coming. And family, as always, the key to finding your true freedom is by living and creating your own reality. No matter if nobody understands it or support it, you have one life to live. Family, live it. Peace, love, and light.